Alvin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix 504-502 bad gateway error in Google Chrome on your Windows PC. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting the error 504 or 502 bad gateway error in your Google Chrome, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open your Chrome browser. After opening the Chrome browser, you can see at top right side 3 dot. Just click on this. In this you will find settings. Just click on this. Guys, in this you can see here security and privacy. Just click on this. Cookies and other site data. Just click on this. After that you need to scroll down a little bit. Below you will find see all cookies and site data. Just click on this. In last you will find all cookies and site data. You have to remove all this. Just click on remove all and click on clear all. You can see all cookies and site data has been removed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the error 504 or 502 bad gateway error on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.